out about federal surplus where Crane Naval Depot had a train cars that were on there, and we were able to get that through the city, through the federal surplus program, where we paid right around $8,000 for the cars and the engine. Now the cars that weren't in this shape that you see them today, they're beautiful air-conditioned cars with restrooms on. They were completely retrofitted and made the beautiful cars that they are now that people are enjoying riding in.
You know what was really exciting? Everybody was into it. I don't mean just the people on the train. At every intersection we went through, there were people there. They were having parties. It was amazing. People who their yards or other neighbors, they were there. It was just amazing.
I love the French Lick trip, I think, better than the other one. And it's, you leave at 5 o'clock, you're back at 11. It's not that long of a day, and just fantastic.
Has the trip been what you thought it would be?
The trip has been far superior to what we thought it would be. They have done just a fabulous job with this train. It's beautifully appointed. It's comfortable. Everybody on the train has been absolutely wonderful. Everybody, the people that are riding the train have been they're fun-loving.
We heard a lot of people talk about it and said it was a good time and it was a lot of fun. So we thought we'd give it a shot.
And has it been fun?
It has been fun.
Was it what you thought it would be?
It was better than what I thought it would be.
Why?
Honestly, the cars, everything's really nice. Everything is really nice. It's nicer than what I expected. Nice and air conditioned. I thought it would be kind of hot on this hot day it is. I thought it might be kind of hot on here, but it's not at all.
When it came into Jasper, we discussed, getting on it and riding it. And Carl, he works every other weekend, and Danny's on call every fourth weekend. And so we all got together and decided this weekend we could all go together and decide to do it. It was my birthday, and here we all are, having a blast.
The mayor and the assistant mayor, Kenny Buck, who is like the greatest. They were the best train attendants ever. They would deliver anything to you. They bring blankets. They're just the best hostess attendants that you could ask for. It is. The drinks, everything has been wonderful. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, when I was a little girl, I went from California to Michigan on a train. So for me, it was reliving my childhood. And back when I was a little girl, that's how we traveled, because we didn't go on planes very often. It was done by the actual railroad.
We don't have them anymore, and it's kind of disheartening to see the trains go. I did ride the Amtrak in Florida several times, going from West Palm to Miami, but we've lost the method of transportation, and it just it kind of brings back memories of the trains. I was around them all my life.
Why'd you guys decide to ride the train?
Well, it was the girls' idea. Us guys, we didn't have a lot of choice.
Except to pay for it.
Yes.
Great time. I've been on about 4 or 5 of them right now. Coming back is just a blast. I mean, I think 70, 80 people on here today. We've had 136 before. Fantastic time. Casino's a lot of fun. Eating up here is a lot of fun. Train ride's just phenomenal.
This is just the ambiance of listening to that train whistle and the speed of the train, being able to see what it is that you're going by, not having to drive. This has just been fabulous. This has been wonderful. I thoroughly enjoyed this. And my grandson has been here for a week. We asked him what his favorite thing so far has been, and he said that this train ride was by far. And we have done a lot of things. And he said this was the best that we have done so far. My husband and I decided today, as we were talking, we have some friends that are in Kentucky, and we get a lot of people that come here to see us, to see what life in the Midwest is all about. And we have already decided that this is going to be something that is going to be in our itinerary of what we are going to bring all of our friends to come and see, is you've got to ride this train. This is just the price for it, the time element of it, and just being able to sit for that period of time and talk to one another without interruption it's fabulous. So yes, this will be something that we do several times within the next year.